If you want to transform from this to this, then keep on watching. So I'm starting with my eyes and using this L'Oreal concealer in the shade 327 and applying it on my eyelid. This concealer is really pigmented, gives that smooth base for the eyeshadow. And next, for setting my eyes, I'm using this Maybelline Lasting Fix setting powder, and for this eyeshadow, I'm using this Ocolan Color Burst eyeshadow palette. And firstly, I'm using this lighter beige shade and applying it as a transition shade. And I'm using it from the inner corner to the outer corner and blending it seamlessly. Then I'm using this green shade and applying it on the crease again, and this just gives that gradient finish. Then on my lids, I'm using this dark green shade and tapping it with this small flat brush and blending it with the crease as well. Then I'm using this Benefit eyeliner and applying a thin coat of eyeliner, and I just make a small winged liner as well. To moisturize my face, I'm using this Cetaphil Gentle Moisturizing Lotion and applying it all over my face. Then for foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty and L'Oreal Infallible, and I mix these two to get that perfect shade. I'm applying with a fluffy round brush. By blending with the brush, we get that full coverage. I blend it all over my face. Then after blending it with this brush, I also go on with the beauty blender as well. For concealer, I'm again using this L'Oreal Infallible and applying it under my eyes and tapping it with this flat small brush. And to blend that concealer seamlessly, I'm going on with the beauty blender, tapping it and blending it seamlessly. Then to set my face, I'm using this Maybelline Lasting Fix setting powder. I apply it mostly on my T-zones where I get oily. I use a tapping motion. I leave this setting powder for a while so that it's completely locked into your skin. For bronzing my face, I'm using this Ofra Miami palette and using this lighter brown shade. I apply it on the cheekbones, jawline, and a bit on my forehead as well. I'm using this peachy shade and apply it on the higher points of my cheeks, and blush just gives that natural flush to your face. Then for highlighter, I'm using this golden shade and highlighting the higher points of my cheeks, on the tip of my nose, and on the forehead and chin as well. For lips, I'm using this Golden Rose in the shade number 27. This shade just enhances the look of this makeup, and I just apply it with a flat brush. Then to finish my eyes, I'm using this eye pencil and I just go on with the darker green shade, blend it on the crease line. For mascara, I'm going on with this Smashbox Super Fan Mascara and coating my upper and lower lashes. Then to finish up my makeup, I'm using this Golden Rose Fixing Spray, applying it all over my face. And voila, this is how the look turned out to be. If you guys liked my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.